Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Neha Art Gallery. Today is our lesson number 14 and today we will be drawing this cute picture for our little kiddos. 5 years to 12 years kids can easily draw this picture by watching my this YouTube video. So today I will be telling you how we can draw this simple drawing very systematically and very easily we can do it, and then we can color it also. Okay, so let's start the demonstration of this verbally and then we will proceed with the practical method of how we can draw. I'll do it here. Okay, so let's start without wasting much time. So see, for this what we have to do, we have to first of all check how many shapes are there while drawing this, how many shapes we have to use to draw this simple drawing. Okay, so here we can see eye is of circle shape, and this is a sleeping line, and this is little bit curve, and this is a bumpy C or half circle we can say. And from here, from the middle portion of the C, we can do like this, come down and then go inside and like this curve, and then do a bumpy like this. Okay, and then follow this, leave this portion and follow this pattern only, come up like this, go up 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 and go curve like this, and then again a curve down and then curve, follow this pattern and then curve. This is narrower. As we go up, this is becoming broader. Okay, and then go up like this, slanting line, curve, and then again sleeping line. Okay, up till the neck portion we'll do the curve like this and go up 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 and curve and join. Okay, that's it. And now what about the leg portion? From here it's like 3, we can say 3. Okay, 3, curve, go in, go up, in, up and touch here. Okay, and for this second leg, from here come down slanting way and then curve, inside curve, and then again inside curve, and then big curve. Okay, and this same pattern from here, go down, come up and touch here. From here it's like a V, slanting line, a curve, this is slanting and this will be curve, and then again this same pattern here for the leg like this, and this is S. Okay, that's it. And the tongue portion, curve, V, curve, curves, ovals, curve, circle, half circle. Okay, so let's start with the practical one, how we'll do it practically step by step. So first of all we have to draw one sleeping line from here, like suppose here one sleeping line like this. Okay, and then curve, from here also a curve, and then come down and a big smile like this, and curve, from here come down, standing line up till here, stop. Now from here, from the half of this semicircle, make a point and go like curvy and like this, and then from here a bump, big bump up till here. Okay, and now we'll do this portion first. From here again make a curve like this, go sleeping line, bumpy, then go like this down, and then the tail portion is starting from here, bump, give a bump and then go down, and S S shape, curve, and then again parallel to this up till here, equal distance. Okay, from here curve, and we have to join this, join. Okay, now the leg portion, leg starting from here, first leg, a curve, and then up, down, up, down, up, then again a curve. Next leg, from here little bit distance, come down like this, S, slanting, curve, one other curve, and then go up like this. Third leg, from here, in, out, join. Okay, fourth leg, S. Okay, now here slanting and then curve. Okay, from here up, down, and touch here. Okay, now this portion from here, make S and touch here, S and touch here. Okay, and follow this and go down like this. The tongue portion, curve, 1, 2, and 3 like this. Eyes, circle at the middle portion, half circle, one opposite curve or an arc, and then oval just below this. 2 eyebrows, cute eyebrows. Okay, now we have to give this support land like this. Okay, I think this is done now. Now I have to erase the portion which is coming inside the leg, like this portion I have to erase, and this portion I have to erase. Okay, that's it. Now we will be outlining it. Outline will be in such a way that our pencil mark should not visible. Our black marker should cover whole of the pencil mark. Okay, I hope this video is beneficial for your kids. They can easily draw this drawing while watching this video step by step. You just have to show them the video. Please follow my YouTube channel to know more drawings for your little ones. I hope you liked it. Please share, subscribe, and like my YouTube channel and videos. It motivates me a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now like this. Okay, isn't it a cute animal? See, this is also I have shown this arrow mark, how we have to draw this. First we have to draw a line and then we have to go down. This arrow mark is showing where we have to go. Okay, small kids can easily follow these arrow lines and can draw. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching.